How to delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Well, basically it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat application. Once you do so, you want to head into the chat section by tapping on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on chat and head into chat, here you'll get an interface like this, right? What you want to do is you want to swipe your fingers from top to bottom just a bit like this, and at the top your shortcuts will appear, as you can see. Now what you want to do is here you want to tap on the plus icon at the top of your screen that you'll see along with the shortcuts. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is you want to select the shortcut that you want to delete. Now you can see I have two different shortcuts. I'll just select the first one, just tap on it and open it up. Once you open it up, you should get an interface like this. You want to tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen. Once here you'll see the delete shortcut option popping up at the bottom. You want to simply tap on delete shortcut and then simply tap on delete shortcut and it will be deleted. So this is the way you can delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.